Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be making this absolutely delicious open-faced pancakes that you guys are going to enjoy. These are the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So to make this pancake, to a preheated pan, I added 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium diced onion, allowed to cook until translucent. Then you're going to add your meat. I am using straight up beef. You can use any meat of your choice. I added some onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika, and of course some Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of bouillon, some lemongrass paste, now that is optional, and some tomato paste. Cook that out for an additional 2 minutes. Then of course you're going to want to add your Philadelphia chives and onion cream cheese. Ooh, this brings great depth of flavor to your meat and to your recipes. Absolutely amazing. Now after about additional 3 minutes, I go in with my sliced mushrooms, sliced onions, red and white, and my sliced bell peppers. And I'm using multicolored bell peppers. Of course, if you want to omit the peppers, the mushrooms, just be creative with it. You can just use straight up meat. But baby, this right here, right now this kitchen smells so good. All right, you can eat as is, but let's go make this egg. So here I have some eggs, and of course I'm seasoning it. Yes, everything over here must be seasoned. Some bouillon and some flakes and parsley. So after all that work, I was not going to make my pancake batter from scratch. If you're ambitious, be my guest. You can use the store-bought here as well. Then we are going to assemble. Add our meat down. Make sure to add like 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add your meat and add your cheese. My cheese of choice was smoked Gouda, which I love. Brings a little bit of smokiness, the earthiness. It's just absolutely delicious. You can use any one you like, okay? Your preference. So after about 30 seconds, we go in with the eggs. Now you're gonna cover this egg on medium low for about 1 minute. After it looks like this, you can see the edges about to start cooking. Then you are going to pour your batter right over the top. All right, absolutely amazing. Cover and cook for 5 minutes because these are really thick and filling pancakes. Right, you're gonna flip the pancakes about 3 minutes in to cook the other side for 2 minutes. All right, these were absolutely divine. I am telling you guys, look how fluffy that is. The flavor was well balanced. It was absolutely amazing. Now, if you want to add syrup, take it up another notch. That is your preference. But brunch, guys, was the top for weeks, okay? Yes, this was my plate. I had all of this. Right? I just had 1 meal for the day. That's all I could have carried. All right, so I would really like you guys to subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, let me know if you're gonna make this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you all. Bye.